So today we're going to be doing a pretty huge unboxing. We've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different packages to get into. I gotta say some of these, or a lot of these, are some bangers. A lot of these I am super excited to get into. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the first package. Right, package number 1. I actually do know what this one is because it came in today, and I know exactly what I ordered. So I don't have a knife, so we're just gonna have to go hand style today. I mean, it's just a bag. All right, so this one came in from Size, and this is a shoe that released, I think, was it yesterday or the day before? I can't actually remember. So this one actually isn't my size. Because it's a woman's silhouette, I went for my girlfriend's size instead of mine, and you'll understand when you see the pair of shoes. I don't know why they add this. What is up with the tape on the box? So let's open these up. If you're out in the US, you guys are not getting these for a while, so it's kind of like an early look at what this shoe looks like. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get my size. This is the Nike Dunk Low, and I believe this is called the Orange Pearl colorway. So again, my girlfriend's size, because I just thought this colorway was something she would really like, and it was her birthday the other day, so hey, you know what? I might just gift these to her if I don't put this video out before she sees it. Maybe a pastel orange color, almost like a pink. It's very light. I know a lot of girls are going to love this one. That's why it is a woman's silhouette, and that's of course why I did not get my size, but definitely a strong colorway of the Nike Dunk. This is going to be an extremely popular colorway, especially in these small sizes. But even as a guy, you know, I feel like if you can fit in the woman's size range, then it's still a very clean colorway, very nice and light. Definitely, I think, more of a summer colorway, but for sure a very strong colorway of the Nike Dunk. I am actually really enjoying the fact that Dunks are more accessible now. You know, I'm actually getting reviews out and getting pairs of Dunks in, which is a really nice thing. As someone who really struggled in 2020 when it came to Dunks, I am happy about that. Let's see, why didn't I bring a knife? This one, oh, it's the New Balance. Yes, oh, I'm excited about this one. All right, so before we unbox this, let me give you a hint. This was one of my favorite sneakers of 2020, full stop. And I haven't seen the colorway yet, so I'm more talking towards the actual model rather than this specific colorway. This is an all new colorway that I haven't seen yet, so I am super excited. And I got a steal on these, which I will tell you about. The New Balance 327. Yes, and this is a fire colorway. As you guys know, if you've been following the channel, I have got plenty of 327s in the past, and this is just another banger colorway. Man, this is so nice in person. So as you can see, this is pretty much a white and kind of a sail or gray colorway with the New Balance logo in a navy color. I think this goes together so well. So I actually paid £60 for this pair of shoes. £60, that is a bargain. Now these do retail for $75, however, there was some kind of discount I had. I think it was like maybe when you sign up for an account with New Balance, you get 20% off or something like that. I can't remember where I got the discount, but I got a small little discount on the New Balance website. These were $60, and if you haven't tried the New Balance 327 for $60, this is a no-brainer. I love this shoe. It looks super good. So definitely one of my highest recommendations, even now in 2021. It is an awesome pair of shoes. All right, I know what this one is. All right, so this one is a Jordan, I guess you guys already know. Yes, this is a Jordan mid, but this is a super nice Jordan mid. Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 mid. I got these from Size, and I know that they are yet to release on the Nike app. I believe they got pushed back to the 19th. So I think these released around the 4th. I gotta say, this blue in person looks really nice. And as you guys know, I'm becoming a little bit more of a fan of mids, specifically when that band colorway came out. And this is another awesome colorway. This is the Hyper Royal. Again, you know that this is not reselling for anything crazy. I did get this in my size, so this does look very clean in person. As you know, when it comes to the mids, you know, the leather quality is not up to the regular Jordan 1 high standards. It's just a little bit you know, it's a little bit more plasticky, but at the same time, it's not bad. For the price you're paying, it's not that bad. Should we get into some heavy hitters? Let's get into some heavy hitters. I know what this one is, because this one came in today as well. And let me say, this one you guys are going to appreciate while I pull open. Oh, God. All right, so this pair of shoes released today, but I won the raffle yesterday on this pair of shoes. So it came in extremely quick, which I am happy about. But either way, you can see it's going to be, it's a Jordan 6. You got any guesses of what this is releasing today? Jordan 6, something that hasn't been retroed in a long time and everybody is very excited about. Yeah, leave your guesses down below. But either way, I, for one, am extremely excited to see this. Oh, yes. Wow. The Jordan 6 Carmine. Wow, these look clean. And there is some kind of rumors about bleeding. It looks pretty white to me. I can't see anything, any kind of pink midsole. This looks fine. Again, there may be some defective pairs. Let me just put it out there. There is kind of leaked images going around that some pairs have kind of a leaked midsole, I think they're calling it. It's basically bleeding where it comes down to the midsole and the midsole's pink. Whether that is true or not, I can only say that my pair so far is looking fine. Let me get the other pair out. Yeah, they both look fine to me. This colorway is awesome. The icy outsole as well just looks so sick. This is a pair of shoes I'm definitely going to be doing a review on, so definitely let me know if you guys went for the Carmine today, whether you got an L or a W. But this is a sick pair of shoes, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, another pair of shoes. And it's an SB. Man, what an unboxing. This is sick. This is some really crazy pairs of shoes. Anyway, this one, a Nike SB, and I gotta say, I got this in a while ago, but I've been so busy making reviews on other pairs of shoes, I haven't got round to doing this one. So if you guys did want to see a review on this pair of shoes, which I'm going to unbox now, slow down, don't you worry. Let's get them open. Oh yes. Oh yes. The Nike SB Court Purple. Another heavy hitter. Okay, so you get the white laces. I don't believe it's released in the US yet. So I didn't know whether it was going to come with purple or white laces. That's good it's come with white. Colorway mimics the first or the 2018 retro of the Court Purple rather than the 2020 retro, which I'm very happy about, which means you get the black over on the forefront of the shoe and then the purple at the back rather than all of the overlays being purple. So this is super clean. Look at that. Super clean, man. I love this pair. This is awesome. Wow. So yeah, I won a random raffle for this pair of shoes. I did strike out on Nike sneakers. Again, my L streak is through the roof here in 2021 on Nike sneakers. So I'm glad that I won the raffle on these. We got one last one, so let's get into that. So basically, I saw these. You know what? I'm just gonna slide this one to the side. We're running out of space here, guys. We are running out of space. So I saw this pair on the Size website, and it's kind of like a new launch. And I looked at it and I thought, this is clean. I definitely need to take a look at it. Here we go. There we go. This is the RS, what the hell is this called? This is the Puma RS Drip Connect, I believe. That's what it's called. But just look how clean that looks. It looks like such a clean pair. Again, Puma makes some really cool shoes. I love their RSX collection. That was some dope pairs of shoes. Let me pull them both out. So this is the gray option. You get a lot of mesh or mesh for the base layer and then a lot of suede, which feels really nice. But I just feel like these would look dope on foot. I really don't know when these actually released because they just kind of popped up on, I think, my Instagram feed from Size, and then I just bought them because I thought they looked so cool. I don't know if you guys haven't seen these before, or if you have and you want to see a review, again, let me know. Hopefully you guys got your W's on the Carmines today. Good luck to anybody out in the US who is still going to be going for them. I guess you'll only see this after the release, so hopefully you guys got your W's. But hey, that pretty much wraps it up. Let me know what you guys think about all of these. Again, any reviews, feel free to ask me. Let me know down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for coming through, hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. Hey, I'll catch you guys all in the next one, but until then,